word is life. His word is rain. As the rain comes down and the snow from heaven, and do not return there, but water the earth, it makes it bring forth and bud, that it may give seed to the sower and bread to the eater. So shall my word be that goes forth from my mouth. It shall not return to me void. It shall accomplish what I please and prosper in the thing for which I sent it. You shall go out with joy, be led forth in peace. The mountains and the hills shall break forth and sing. All the trees of the field shall clap their hands, for the word of the Lord brings life again.
You shall go out with joy, be led forth in peace.
Mountains and hills will break forth and sing.
All creation rejoices before his hand.
For the word of the Lord brings life again.
The Lord will guide you continually and satisfy your soul in drought. He'll strengthen your bones when you are weary. You shall be like a watered garden,
A spring whose waters never fail.
do not speak your own words, declare his words. Let them rise like fire, let them shake the earth. Every promise spoken will stand forever. His word is living, his word endures forever. Declare his word.
Let them rise.
Let them shine.
You shall go out with joy, be led forth in peace. The mountains and the hills shall break forth and sing. All the trees of the field shall clap their hands, for the word of the Lord brings life again. Oh, his word brings life.
His word brings peace.
Shall return void, it shall fulfill his will. Like rain from heaven,
His word will fall.
like rain from heaven,
It brings life to all.
so shall his word be.
So shall his word be.
Forever true, forever sure.